Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm back with another awesome update today. Well, here we have our JFK Terminal 4 set up here. Just waiting on some more jet bridges for it. But right now, we have a special unboxing today. We'll be unboxing Tiny Tugs' regional catering trucks here. Link in bio, guys, for Tiny Tugs. Check these bad boys out. So we have them in different configurations. Again, these are more like the regionals, so E175, CRJs, you name it. You could probably fit one of these on maybe like an E220. Yeah, I've got to fix that one, by the way. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get this out. Let's take a look. Wow, guys, feast your eyes on these little guys. Here we have the E175. Look at that. As you can see, we have the Tiny Tugs catering trucks in action here. 1 to 400 scale, of course. Super cool. Super scale and detailed. Highly recommend them for all your model airports here, guys. Check these things out. Tiny, but mighty. Look at that. Zoom in here. You can see the scale on these little guys. Just turn it around here. Look at that. Shout out to Tiny Tugs. I'll be using these on all my model airports that have the smaller gates, as to say. So you can fit more of the E175s or CRJs here. And you can also do that on the other end here too as well. I misplaced my box where the these jet bridges, or the jetways, I guess to say. I have the gates. It's just these guys, I don't know where I put them. They're probably in a bin somewhere, guys. I've been going through a lot of my stuff here lately, so I'll find them. But there's like 30 of these things that go across here, so kind of looks like this, for example. So doesn't specifically go to that gate, so but they kind of go like here, and then you have the gates go over. So super cool. This one's actually angled because it goes on the corner there, but you guys know what's up. But again, shout out to Tiny Tugs for these amazing mini tugs for your regional jets, guys. I've been doing a lot, like I said, a lot of cleaning lately at the model airports. Yes, the TWA goes over that way. I'm just organizing right now, so stay tuned for that, guys. But other than that, a lot to come in the future here. I did pay for these with my own money, so shout out to Tiny Tug. And we'll see you guys in the next video here. I'll leave a link below, guys, so you can check these into action here. Also get a shot on my Instagram, too, for these. So stay tuned, guys. TikTok, of course, Model Airport Nation. And right here on YouTube, guys, and Instagram. See you guys in the next video. Shout out to Tiny Tug Designs.